In this video, we are going to learn what is series. Sum to n terms of an AP arithmetic progression. In the last video, we studied what is AP and related formulae we studied. The general form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. The same thing, if you are going to put in summation, A plus D plus A plus 2D plus etc. This is known as series. Clear, children? So, we can find the sum of the series, sum of n terms. For that, they given two formulae. The first formula you can use if you know the values A, then D and N. If you know these three data, you can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Clear, children? The second formula, if you know the last term, that is the nth term. That is, if you know A, L and N, then you can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. You study these two formulae thoroughly, since throughout this exercise we are going to use these formulae. Right, children? Also, just you have to recollect few formulae what we studied in the previous video. That is, A is the first term, am I right? D is the common difference. We used to use the formula T2 minus T1. In general, Tn minus Tn minus 1. Right, children? Then, number of terms formula is L minus A divided by D plus 1. These are the formulae you have to remember. Along with this, you recollect Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Clear, children? Now we can do the problems. Here, exercise 2.6. First problem, find the sum of the following. First subdivision. 3, 7, 11, etc. up to 40 terms. Here, A is equal to 3, D is equal to second term minus first term, that is equal to 7 minus 3, that is 4, and n is equal to 40. Clear, children? Now we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is equal to, this implies S40 we need, equal to 40 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 3, 6 plus n value is 40, 40 minus 1, 39 into D value 4, which is equal to 40 by 2, it's 20, 20 into 6 plus 39 4s are 156, which is equal to 20 into 162, which is equal to 324 with 1 0. That is 3240. This is the required answer. Now we can move on to the second one. Here it's given 102, 97, 92, etc. up to 27 terms. This is just like the previous. Here A is equal to 102, D is equal to second term minus first term, 97 minus 102, that is equal to minus 5, and N is equal to 27. We need S27, which is equal to the formula already I written in the previous problem, N by 2, that is 27 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 102, that is 204, plus N minus 1, 27 minus 1, 26 into D value minus 5, which is equal to 27 by 2 into 26 into 5 is 130 minus 130. You subtract this, it becomes 74. This we can cancel with this. It becomes 37. Now we have to multiply 27 into 37. 7 sevens are 49, 4 balance, 7 twos and 3 sevens. 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 4 is 39. 3 balance, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore, this is equal to 999. This is the required answer. Now we can move to the third one. Third one is given 6 plus 13 plus 20 plus etc. 97. Here they given the last term. Here A is equal to 6, D is equal to 13 minus 6, that is 7, and L is equal to 97. With the help of this data, we can find N value. N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. That is equal to L is 97 minus 6 divided by 7 plus 1. That is equal to 91 by 7 plus 1 equal to 13 plus 1 equal to 14. Clear, children? Therefore, S14 is equal to N by 2 into A plus L formula. N by 2, that is 14 by 2 is 7. 7 into 6 plus A value. L value is 97, which is equal to 7 into 103. That is equal to 721. This is the required sum of 14 terms. Second question. How many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480? Solution. Given Sn is equal to 480. consecutive odd integers beginning with 5. So we are getting 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus etc. We don't know how many terms, n terms, equal to 480. Clear, children? Here A is equal to 5, D is equal to 7 minus 5, that is 2. N value we don't know. Sn is already given 480. We know Sn is equal to 480. You know the formula for Sn, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which implies n by 2 into 2a, 2 into 5 is 10, plus n minus 1 into d value is 2, equal to 480. Now n by 2 into 10 plus 2n minus 2 equal to 480, which implies n by 2 into 2n plus 8 minus 480 equal to 0. This we can return as 2 we can take outside and cancel. It becomes n square plus 4n minus 480 equal to 0. This we have to factorize. We are getting n plus 24 into n minus 20 equal to 0. You add these two numbers, you are getting plus 4. You take the product, that is minus 480. Therefore, we are getting n is equal to minus 24 comma 20. Therefore, answer is n is equal to 20. So 20 terms will take the sum 480. Third sum, find the sum of first 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. Given Tn is equal to 4n minus 3 and they given n is equal to 28. Clear, children? We need S28. Now you put n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1, T1 is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. You find T2. T2 is equal to 8 minus 3, that is 5. Clear, children? Which implies A is equal to the first term, T1, that is 1. And D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to second term is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Now we can find S28, which is equal to, you know the formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to, n value is 28. So 28 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 28 minus 1, that is 27 into 4. This is equal to 28 by 2 is 14. 14 into 27 fours are 108 plus 2, that is 110, equal to 14 into 10, that is 140, plus 14 is 154, then 10. This is the required sum of 28 terms. Fourth sum, the sum of first n terms of a certain series is given as 2n square minus 3n. The difference between the previous sum and this is, previous sum they gave Tn, here it's Sn. So we can write given Sn is equal to 2n square minus 3n. From this we can find S1. Substitute n is equal to 1 in the Sn value. We are getting 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, and S2 equal to 2 you substitute, 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 6 it's 2, which implies S1 means only sum of the first term, that is A. A is equal to minus 1, and S2 means sum of two terms, T1 plus T2 is equal to 2. Therefore, we are getting from this, what is T1 value? That is A value, that is minus 1. You take to other side, we will get T2 is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now we got two values, A value and T2 value. Therefore, T1 is equal to minus 1 and T2 is equal to 3, which implies D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to 3 minus of minus 1 equal to plus 4. Clear, children? Now we got the first term and the difference. First term is A is equal to minus 1 and the difference is D is equal to 4. Therefore, we can write the AP is minus 1, then you add 4 with minus 1, that is 3, then you add 4 with 3, it's 7, etc. is an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Clear, children? Fifth sum, the 104th term and 4th term of an AP are 125 and 0. Find the sum of first 35 terms. Given T104 is equal to 125 and T4 is equal to 0. With the help of these two values, we have to find A value and D value. From the first one, we can write it's 104. You know the formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This formula we are going to apply here. That is A plus 104 minus 1, that is 103 D equal to 125. The second one implies A plus 3D, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3D equal to 0. You take this is first equation and this is the second one. You can subtract this. Therefore, 1 minus 2 implies, you can subtract, it becomes 100D equal to 125. From this, D is equal to 125 by 100, which implies D is equal to, you divide by 25 in the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 4. This is D value. Therefore, 2 implies, you substitute this value in the second equation. A plus 3 into 5 by 4 equal to 0, which implies A is equal to minus 15 by 4. Clear, children? I obtain A value and D value. I got A and D. Now we can go for S35. S35, which is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is equal to, n value is 35. Therefore, we are getting 35 by 2 into 2 into minus 15 by 4 a value plus n minus 1. 35 minus 1 is 34 into 5 by 4. Clear, children? Here we can cancel some terms. This 2 and 4, it's 2 times. Like that, this is 2 and this is 17. Now we can simplify this. This is equal to 35 by 2 into 2 is LCM minus 15 plus 85, that is 17 5s are 85 divided by 2, which is equal to 35 by 2 into 85 minus 15, 70 by 2. You can cancel this, it becomes 35. You know that 35 square is 1225 divided by 2. Therefore, S35 is equal to 1200 by 2 is 600, 25 by 2 is 12.5. So, this is the required answer. Sixth question. Find the sum of all odd positive integers less than 450. Odd positive integers. So, I am taking 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to less than 450. Therefore, 449 has to find. Clear, children? Here A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3 minus 1, second term minus first term, it's 2. Then L is equal to 449. Therefore, we have to find n value. L minus A by D plus 1 equal to L minus A, that is 448 divided by D value 2 plus 1, which is equal to 224 plus 1 equal to 225. Now we need Sn. S 225, which is equal to, you know the formula, n by 2 into A plus L, since we know L value, which is equal to 225 by 2 into A value is 1 plus 449 equal to 225 by 2 into 450. This we can cancel. We are getting 225. Now you just take the product. This is equal to 225 into 225. 5 5s are 25. 2 balance. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 20, 22. Then 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 20, 24, it's 26. 2 balance, it's 4, this also 4, 8, 10. So, therefore, we are getting this is equal to 10,625. This is the required, the sum of all odd positive integers less than 450. I hope you will be thorough with these problems. The rest of the problems in this type we will discuss in the next video. All the best. May God bless you. We can meet in the next video.